Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a collective haul. I purchased some items that I wanted to come on and share, and let's get started. So I bought some new stuff from A Cherry on Top. They were having free shipping that day, and I saw this on Instagram on Prima's page, and one of their designers had used this clear antiquing wax with mica powders, and they altered some kind of project and it was beautiful. And this is supposed to give a satin permanent finish, and I wanted this. You can mix it with a lot of things. I really wanted to mix it with mica powders because I have a ton and I never know how to use them, so I thought this was a great way. But I got this charm from Aliexpress and I wanted to alter it. I wanted to give it some life. It is a beautiful, nice, good quality charm, but it just needs a little oomph. So I figured I can try that, and I'll let you know if this is a good product or not. I also got a little bottle of Fabri-Tac. I've never used this glue before. I've seen a lot of crafters reach for this, so I thought I'd give it a whirl. You never have enough glue. And you guys, I'm addicted to paper currently. We all go through stages, and right now it's kind of a real addiction for me of getting foil or craft board or heavyweight cardstock, and I'm kind of going through like a basil thing too, but that might have to wait for an upcoming haul. I did pick up this pack of foil and glittered cardstock from Amazon, and it comes with 40 sheets, and you guys, this is super thick. So it does come with a lot of different colors. You get 4 of each. And it says it's 92 pounds. And it is an 8.5 by 11. You get like this gold, you get a pretty pink, you get a black, and you get 4 sheets of each color, silver, and then there should be a gold. Yep. And then here's the foils. So you get the foil gold, there's a purple, there's a pretty pink, there's like a magenta, and then there's a silver. So they're so pretty and good quality, and it was a great price, so I really can't complain. And yeah, I don't know why I'm just kind of obsessed with getting more solid cardstocks versus design papers. I guess probably because I haven't found a collection that I'm over the moon. And I'm not sure if you guys saw this in my last haul. I purchased this Cricut craft board, and it's this foil sampler hollow, and you guys, it's so pretty. Like, it's such a good quality. I bought like 2 more packs of these because it was a good price on Amazon, and I love all the colors. So since I was so obsessed with that, I picked up this one as well, and it's the craft board essentials. They come in the black, the craft color, and the white color, and it is super thick, you guys. So you get, I believe, 30 sheets of each, so you get 10 of each color. And what they kind of remind me of is light chipboard. They're really thick, and I figured when I do a project, I like to work with a solid, hard or thick base because you want it to be sturdy. And sometimes the Michael's 110-pound cardstock is on an 8.5 by 11 basis, so I need more 12 by 12. So I thought this was a really great buy, and I do love that it comes in all 3 colors. So I'm really happy to have this in my stash. And then My Mind's Eye was having a big warehouse sale, so apparently they are going out of the paper business and focusing on their party line. So I did a small haul on their website, and I'm not sure if they still have some of these available, but I did pick up, I was looking for their old collection. One of their collections is probably one of my favorites, but this was I don't know, an impulse buy. I kind of wanted, I don't know, I just wanted it, so I bought it. And this is the wild asparagus line from My Mind's Eye, and it really does have a lot of pretty elements in this. I did pick this up. I think this ephemera pack was like $2 something. It was really cheap. Again, they are doing a like closeout sale, I keep some of those numbers in there. I don't need those. But I want to show you this ephemera pack. It's pretty. It's so pretty. And I love like kind of that rustic look of My Mind's ephemera, their paper collection. It does have a lot of things that you can kind of mix with a Maggie Holmes collection. This collection kind of reminds me of fall. And I love just the random pieces. Their art is really beautiful. So you have a lot of like natural elements in this. It is a more darker collection, but you know, not all collections can be pink and beautiful. I can just add the pink. I just love the different floral pieces in this. Look at this little envelope. Got this. Got little flaggies. I just love the print of the paper. And I thought it was even impulse or not, thought it was a really good value. And pieces I can add to my other projects. Again, when it's on a closeout, you know, it's like kind of the best times to buy. And I felt a little sad that this was going to be the last My Mind's collection I would be buying. So these are the ephemera pieces. And then I purchased like 2 ephemera packs. I did pick up 2 of the chipboard stickers. And this is what this looks like. It's not really anything fancy, you guys. It's pretty basic. But again, the pricing was so dang affordable. I was like, oh God, let me just add it. And it's chipboard, so I can always add this to projects. I did buy 2 packs of that. And then I got 3 packs because I'm a psycho of this paper pad. So it is the collection pack or the papers and accessories. I'm just going to show you the different papers. And I don't know if it's anyone else, but I've been loving like yellow, mustard, the Maggie Holmes Marigold collection. Oh, sorry guys, this glue is really tight. The Marigold collection really made me appreciate yellow tones more. And here is the quick little summary view of the papers. I'm just going to go through a quick flip through of each sheet. Here's this one. It's so pretty. I mean, I'm not sure what part of this is the asparagus, but oh, I guess right here. But it's a pink asparagus. Look at the back. It's so cute. I kind of love the vintage look to it. Here's this polka dot page. Super cute. Oh, this like mustardy color is so pretty. It just says walking. Find our path by walking it. We find our own path by walking it. Just repeats over and over again. Super cute. Here's this little page. Super pretty. Again, I love that vintagey look. I don't know if you guys kind of getting soft to like this kind of worn look. I think it's so pretty. And here's the front. I love the colors on this. Here is like just a whole bunch of sentiments, which you can totally cut up and reuse. And here's the back. It's so pretty. Here's this stripe page. And it's absolutely a darling. And this is this like checkered linen-ish page. Oh, look how sweet this is. This totally reminds me of like old Maggie Holmes collections. Here's this like leaf page. And look at this really cute lemon page. My main squeeze. So cute. And here is this little striped mustard page. I love this collection so much. I hope to do a small project with it. And then it did come with these sticker pages as well. Here is like the florals. So cute. And then here's just kind of like random accents. And then again, I love the use of birds in it. And then they were selling packs of just 25 pages, whatever, packs of the paper in the collection. I think this is the same collection. Oh no, this is a different collection. This is called Gingham Foundry. And believe the paper is called cornflower. But you guys, I'm just gonna take one out of this sheet. And I told you I'm kind of loving that mustard look. And these florals are just so pretty. And this is the back, which is a darling plaid. So I thought this was a great buy. Again, I'll leave a link to their website down below if you are interested. I think they might still have some products available if you want to snag some of these items from their closeout sale. And that is it for my haul today, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.